Construction vehicles, excavators. By Aubrey, Zalewski. Chapter 1. The excavator can help. An old building needs to be torn down. An excavator pulls down pieces of the building. Then it picks up the mess. Chapter 2. An excavator's job. Excavators do many different jobs. They dig holes for roads and buildings. They dig in mines. Excavators also knock down buildings and trees. Chapter 3. Parts of an excavator. An excavator moves on tracks. The driver sits in the cab. The driver controls the excavator's movement. The cab can spin in a complete circle. The boom sticks out from the cab. It moves up and down. The boom ends on a joint. The joint connects the boom to an arm. The arm moves forward and backward. The arm connects the boom and the bucket. The bucket can dig, push, or scrape. Buckets come in many shapes and sizes. Excavators are also called diggers. Chapter 4. Types of excavators. There are many types of excavators. Some excavators have extra long arms and booms. These excavators can reach far. Other excavators have booms with more joints. These booms are called knuckle booms. They can move up and down and left to right. Excavators are not just used for digging. A grapple might replace the bucket. The grapple can grab and lift things. It is also useful for tearing things down. Some excavators have different tracks. A swamp excavator's tracks are wide. The tracks are also bigger than usual. They help the excavator float on water. The end.